God damn it.
Alright, update on the... Literally, we took the first video just up that hill. And, yeah, we both got fucked up. This whole spot's pure ice. Oh, man. That's where I fell. That's where Josh fell. That's where I fell again. Oh, shit.
Oh, dude, the second I touched the gas on that shit.
Man, that was beautiful out, guys. I know it's been a while since I posted. We haven't been out in a while. But, finally got the old bikes out today. As you can see, we had a closed parking lot off today. Oh, it's beautiful out, by the way. But we had a closed parking lot off. And, nothing but ice. So when we came down the trail, yeah, no studded tires. Oh shit, I almost fall there again. Whew. Anyways, got Josh right there on his 125. I got my 125, both Apollos. Just did a full rebuild on this one about 2 weeks ago. He was missing fourth gear, so I'll put a set of trans gears in it, new clutch, new gasket set, everything. Piston was still good. Cleaned up the cylinder just a little bit. That thing's been running like a top. Mine is always still running good. Yeah, other than that, we're just enjoying this park here. I think it's Creekside or something like that. Out here in Michigan. I think they said, what was it, 15, 19 degrees, some shit like that. Yeah, he's hurt. He's hurt. That was rough. Let me tell you. Whew. But it's a good day, guys. Start recording some more here once we get one of the bikes going again, but I think it's going to be a minute. It was a good ride.